The most important life skill nobody taught you about money. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most important life skills you'll ever learn. Not motivation, not productivity, not even self-improvement. I'm talking about personal finance. Because here's the truth. You can work hard your entire life, make decent money, and still end up financially stressed if you don't understand how money actually works. The crazy part? Schools don't teach this. Most colleges don't teach this. Yet this single skill can completely change your future. So in this video, I'm going to break down the fundamentals of personal finance in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. Lesson number 1. Keeping your money in a savings account isn't enough. Most of us grow up believing that putting money in a savings account is the responsible thing to do. And yes, saving money is important. But if all your money stays in a savings account forever, you're actually losing purchasing power over time. Why? Because of something called inflation. Inflation simply means that the cost of goods and services increases over time. Think about it this way. A bag of chips that cost $2 today might cost $3 or $4 in the future. Your money is sitting in the bank, but the things you want to buy are becoming more expensive every year. That's why saving alone isn't enough. Your money needs to grow faster than inflation, and that's where investing comes in. Think of your money like a tree. A savings account helps the tree grow slowly. Investments act like fertilizer. The right investments can help your money grow significantly faster over time. Lesson number 2. Build passive income. There are two types of income. Active income. This is income that requires your time. You work, you get paid. Doctors, teachers, engineers, business owners, freelancers, most people earn active income. If you stop working, the income stops. Passive income. Passive income is different. It's money that continues coming in even when you're not actively working every minute. Examples include dividend-paying investments, rental properties, online businesses, digital products, royalties, certain investment portfolios. The wealthiest people in the world understand this concept extremely well. They don't just work for money. They build systems that generate money. Your goal should be to gradually increase your passive income streams over time. Lesson number 3. Focus on active income in your 20s. A lot of people want passive income immediately, but here's the reality. Before you can invest large amounts of money, you first need money to invest. That's why your 20s should be focused on increasing your earning power. Learn valuable skills, build your career, start a business, get promotions, increase your income, then use that income strategically. Every dollar you earn should go into one of 3 buckets. Expenses, the money you spend to live. Savings, the money you keep available for emergencies. Investments, the money you put to work to create future wealth. The biggest mistake young people make is spending too much and investing too little. The earlier you invest, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Lesson number 4. Understand assets versus liabilities. This concept alone can change your financial future. Liabilities. Liabilities are things that generally lose value over time. Examples: expensive gadgets, luxury purchases, trendy items. Most consumer products assets. Assets are things that have the potential to grow in value or generate income. Examples: stocks, index funds, businesses, real estate, bonds, certain investment accounts. The wealthy focus on acquiring assets. The average person focuses on acquiring liabilities. Every time you make a purchase, ask yourself, is this making me richer or poorer? That single question can completely change how you manage money. Final thoughts. Personal finance isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about making smarter decisions consistently. Save money, invest money, increase your income, buy assets, avoid unnecessary liabilities. Do those things long enough, and your financial future can look completely different from where you are today. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because understanding money isn't just a financial skill, it's a life skill. And the earlier you learn it, the bigger the advantage you'll have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.